Hey Rosebuds, thanks for joining me today. I decided to buy a rose from Monrovia. I've never bought from them before, so I don't know what I'm going to get into here, but when I was at my local Lowe's, they had Heavenly Ascent, which is a new release this year by Meilland, and it's pink. And so I don't know if it's called Pink Heavenly Ascent, but it smelled so amazing. I couldn't buy it quick enough. So I purchased that. It's in the garden. It's doing great. And so I started looking online, and they make a Heavenly Ascent that's red. Now this climber is going to grow to be 8 foot or so, and I'll read the details to you on that. I'm going to warn you, the price is a little bit high based on every other vendor that we buy from, but I thought, why not? You only live once, and I want to see what they're selling. So what am I expecting? I think it said it was over a gallon in size, maybe a gallon and a half. It's potted. So with potted roses, we're expecting that they have covered the pot so that the soil is not falling all over the place. I think I saw on the listing that it said that this was also staked. So I'm expecting some height on it. I'm looking to make sure that there are no funguses, besides a little bit of black spot is okay. No pests, diseases, and I want that soil to have stayed moist during shipment. I'm going to pull it out of the pot. You know I do. Make sure it's fully rooted out so that I'm getting what I think I bought size-wise. All right, so let's get in here. I see the certificate on the side that it's been through, the agriculture inspections, which is really important to buy from a licensed vendor. What do you think, Rosie? I'm nervous. Look at this baby. Oh, wow. It looks so nice. Look at this. Wow. It is very heavy. Let's see, how did this ship? This came through UPS. You can see that the soil is covered-ish. I mean, it is pouring out of the bottom of the bag because it looks like the bag broke. What do I have here? I've got a shipping report that says it's the red Heavenly Ascent. What do you think? Are you trying to smell it? It says 10 pounds. It's okay. It's okay. Roses are friends. Roses are friends. It says that it's 10 pounds, 38 inches. What else do we have on here? What's on this little card here? Thank you for caring enough to add this plant to your garden. Immediate care. Take your plant out of the box right away and remove the container from the plastic bag. Give it a good drink of water. Place it in a shady location outdoors. That's very good. Let your plant rest in a shaded outdoor area for a few days to adjust before planting. No direct sun just yet. That's great. They understand that we need to harden it in. Take a little bit of time to ease it into getting used to full sun. Plant it in the ground or a pot and choose a suitable location for your plant. Look at the hanging plant label for recommendations of sun and water needs. Okay, what are they saying about fertilizer? Fill it with a hole in soil. Nothing about, sweetheart, it's okay. It's okay. All right. I've got buds. You'll have to watch my Instagram because I'm going to put pictures out as soon as I see it bloom. So let's get a little bit closer here for you. Look at it. I've got buds there and down here. I mean, there are buds that are going to be all over this. Do I have a little bit of chlorosis? It is possible. Now, chlorosis is when you start to see leaves that the veining is a little bit darker, like a dark green, and in that case we would give it a little bit of iron. That is on my list of things to buy. I need to do that. So let's now open this up. Otherwise it looks great. I'm not seeing any black spot or any pest, so that is outstanding. Okay, so it's messy. So you know that I like to take it out of the pot to make sure that it is fully rooted into the pot so that, you just don't want somebody putting a band in a gallon size and saying, there you go, it's a gallon. This looks good. It's holding its shape. Really nice. Now, I would say that it is barely dry. I can tell that if it got dry, it was just really within the last day or so, probably during travel. So I think it looks really good. I'm very happy with this and the size of it. So now let's get into the details really quick. Okay, looking at the Monrovia website, this is Heavenly Ascent, Red Climbing Rose. It does give options for somebody who may be closer to you locally. It grows in zone 5 to 9, and it says a small climber with large, pure red flowers that bloom abundantly and continuously. Trained onto a trellis, it provides a colorful vertical ascent and a classic cottage garden look. This own root variety, it's nice that they specified that, own root has shown good disease tolerance. Does it say anything about fragrance? Companion plants, care instructions. It's not saying anything about fragrance, but if it's anything like the pink one, I am in for a treat, and I'm just so excited. So looking at their website, unless I'm wrong, it appears to me that there is no warranty. In the section I'm looking at that says refunds, can I get a refund? It just appears to say they're a wholesaler. It looks great when it leaves their nursery, and then it's your call. It's your problem once it gets to your house that they're going to guarantee that it left their nursery in good shape. So be aware of that. If I misunderstood that, please put it in the comments below. What did I pay for this rose? This is what I paid. So I hope that this unboxing was helpful for you. Watch my Instagram so that you can see it in bloom, and I'm sure that I'll share a spotlight of it this season. Thanks so much. I will see you in the next video.